Do you know? Post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD, is a mental health condition that can develop after someone experiences or witnesses a traumatic event, such as war, natural disasters, or accidents. It affects not only veterans, but also civilians who have gone through significant emotional stress. People with PTSD often relive the event through flashbacks, nightmares, and intrusive thoughts, which can lead to anxiety, depression, and difficulties in everyday life. PTSD also triggers physical responses such as increased heart rate or sweating when reminded of the trauma, and many sufferers try to avoid situations that might trigger these memories. This disorder can disrupt sleep, relationships, and work, making life challenging without treatment. The good news is that with therapies like cognitive behavior therapy, CBT, and medications, many people with PTSD can manage their symptoms and regain control over their lives. Early intervention and support play a key role in recovery.